All right, folks, Action 5. We're getting on the Maid of the Mist, or the Mist of the Maid. So, let's see what's going on here. We'll get up top. Oh, everybody's got to go to the top. Yeah. Like, why sit? Nobody does. All right. We're getting closer to Canada.
Close as I'm allowed to be.
That's it. Yeah, they heard about me. All right, so here we are, folks. It's a beautiful day to be out. Beautiful day to be alive. Action 5 here. Check everything out. Check the channel out. See everybody that's coming and going. And we're going to have a good time. So we'll catch you a little later. So remember, Action 5, capital A, CTI, the number 5. This Action 5, we're on the Maid of the Mist, or the Mist of the Maid, and we're on our way. All right. So let's get a good look-see here. Hey, hey, hey. All right, had to get the selfies in there. Are we having fun yet?
Oh yeah.
Did you guys do the other one today? You gotta do it. Seriously, that's the one they take the elevator down for behind the cave, and it brings you out, and you can stand right at the base. That water will hit you so hard.
Are you talking about Cave of the Winds?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. That's that one right there, and you are totally soaked when you finish. Everybody, here we are with Action 5, and you can see the rainbow and Niagara Falls, and there's the Bride's Veil right there. Perfect, perfect. There's the observation area over there. And again, we're at Niagara Falls, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a good day at home and whatever you're doing, because I know I am. Hey, Chip. We're just going to give you a short video for now, and we'll catch y'all later. Okay, see you later, everybody. Bye. Oh, love it. All right, I got that one. Whoa, she's a little windy in places. Oh, another set of falls. Oh shit. All that time. Yep, screwed up all that time. Ah. Well, nothing I can do about it now. It's so disappointing to get right in there and amongst it and then find out your video's not on. I should have checked it, but I didn't. My own fault. Well, so be it. I got a lot of words I can say about that. I wish they could do that again. Can we go do that one again? I forgot to turn the video on. Can't believe that. I almost went to check it and didn't figure out it's on. Because I just went to shut it off at a dead spot and I go like, why are you coming on? Oh well. Unless I buy another ticket, I'm not doing that. Huh?
It's all up here now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. That's what it is. Disappointing as it is. Alright folks, this time we're keeping the camera going. We're not shutting it off. I got 34 minutes. That should do it. All right, everybody. Here we are. Come on, Brownie. All right. Say hi to everybody. Hey! All right. Did you hear all the stuff they found? Oh my God.
Yeah. I guess it was, I don't know, too dangerous or something.
Yeah. Think of the guy that went over that in a barrel.
Yeah.
Oh,
no, it was a woman.
If you're going to do that, you really want to turn it to panoramic. You'll be a lot more happier with all your detail. And same with videos, just keep it sideways. All right, folks, let's try this again. This time I came prepared. All right. much better sideways. It's all right.
My family, you know, they, because I travel for work so much, I had 3 people tell me this week, they're like, we never know when you're home or when you're traveling except when you post on Facebook. And I was like, well, I'll post on Facebook more.
That is a blast.
Okay, so what is that? Because that's what I saw.
Okay, that's your wind to the caves.
Oh, okay.
You'll come down by elevator from up top. You'll come out here, you'll come along and then make a left here, come down to the bottom, then work your way up all the way over.
Go right there and go fishing.
Well, you can do that. Oh, you like to fish?
I love to fish.
So yeah, you want to do that, and then as you work your way up, you'll start feeling the force.
Yeah.
You'll get better pictures if you go sideways. It's old habits.
Hard.
I know.
And like this I can. Doing the selfies I can't. My arms aren't long enough.
Oh well, have fun anyway. All right, everybody, this is where we're at today.
In the part of Texas I'm from, we don't even have water.
Oh, where are you at in Texas?
The Panhandle, Amarillo.
Amarillo. Okay, I was down in Corpus Christi a couple of years ago.
Oh yeah?
I was there for a month. I had work to do down there.
I like Corpus, I like Galveston.
I just like to experiment and travel, see things. That's how I learn.
Been to New Orleans?
No, I had to drive there, but I never got to stay long. I had to go from Houston to New Orleans for the day, turn around and fly back.
Oh wow. I've made that drive many times.
Have you?
New Orleans and back, yeah. Well, I've got family that live like right between Houston and New Orleans. They're like, it's like an hour from their house to New Orleans, so you'll visit them a lot. And then that uncle has a time here in New Orleans too.
Oh. How you doing, Brownie? Damn, this thing is long.
That's why I do it through the sleeve. I wonder if it used to be like an old back.
Which one? I'm not 100% sure what that was. All right, this time we got the GoPro on because this is where we missed it, and hopefully we'll get the same opportunity we had before. Well, you can see what's going on here, folks. Hey, Brownie. this and you can get this covered. All right, let's check out this one then. What do you think, Brownie? How you doing? My partner in crime on my YouTube channel. What the second trip was all about. Hopefully the videos will come out and we'll be a happy camper. Alright, Brownie. Wave to everybody, okay? How you doing? Yeah! He'll turn in a minute, and then you'll be on the other side. Everybody, basically this is what it is. You've all seen it. Horseshoe Falls. We're making a turn. The boat's making a left-hand turn here. That's where we were. All right, just as we left, the sun decided to come out. So now we can see a little bit. So remember folks, Action 5, capital A-C-T-I-O-N, the number 5. Check out the channel, share it with everybody. There's your Cave of the Wind, 19 bucks. Where all you see all the other pink, whatever you want to call these things, raincoats. you see what the boat's like?
1, 2, 3, cheese!
Hot dogs!
Alright. Good job. Don't be safe on your way home and going to trip. Yeah, look there.
Alright, there's the casino in the Canada side.
So I wrapped him up. That thing in for mom. She's doing your soft stick. Right?
Alright, let's go back over here. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey, that was awesome.
So, I told you. I would
That
know.
was the worst of it, but I got a good view.
Okay. Oh, you did go down?
Yeah.
I should have locked you up here. It's a great experience.
I'm super glad I did this because I watched the chick come out and look and go back to the hotel and I was like,
Yeah. I'm too much of an opportunist. I like to do a lot of different things. I just got back from hot air ballooning up in northern Maine.
oh, that's awesome.
That's my last video I
I've
loaded.
gone up in a hot air balloon, but not on a ride they used to do. Just rides at our local park where they pick you up and put you back down.
50 feet or 100 feet, and then that sucks.
Oh, I thought it was awesome. I mean, like I said, I've never done the real thing, but so you've never been to the hot air balloon festival in Albuquerque?
That's gonna be next year. No, I driven by it, missed it,
Yeah.
and all my friends and everybody I met up in Maine all go. So it's like, yeah, next year I'm going. I'm headed to Phoenix, and I think November I'm going for a week.
Serious? I'll be in Phoenix. Actually, 2 weeks. I'm in Atlanta next week, and then Phoenix the week after.
Phoenix?
I don't even know what.
Yeah, I go up. I do the there's a two gold mines up there, and then there's the Salt Lake wild horses, and I go search them out for
And I say
pictures and
Phoenix,
videos.
actually, we fly into Phoenix, but then we drive to Washington.
Oh, okay.
So our plan is to fly to that. There's not a whole lot to do around there, so if there's nothing,
You realize I have so much to do, but then again, there's a difference. I'm looking for things.
right.
Where the things you're looking for probably aren't going to be like my kind of fun things.
No, probably, but I have to fit it into work too.
Oh, okay.
And then I have to share a rental car with 3
Gotcha,
of my
yeah.
coworkers when they do want to go.
All right, Action 5, we're out of here. We're coming back in for a landing. So remember, folks, subscribe to Action 5, capital A, CTION, that number 5, and no spaces. Catch y'all later. Bye.